Welcome back to Crypto Spaces, back with another Monad update and a update on, again, projects that I've covered in the ecosystem. You know, the meme coins on Monad, or, you know, the ecosystem projects, just like how we saw in Solana, where 2023 to 2024, it had like a boom in meme coins. I know people are tired of meme coins, but if you're going to be exposed to an L1, if you're going to have, 90%, 95% exposure to an L1, why can't you take 5%, 1 to 5% of your portfolio and have some fun in the ecosystem, right? Use the chain for yourself, see how it feels, see if it's fun, or see how you feel about it to make your investment decision and be like, yo, I know why I actually picked Monad, because I've used the chain, right? So Monad right now sitting at 2,348 cents, 254 million market cap, 2.3 bill FDV, right? Can we see a 10x in FDV? Sure, we can. Can we see a 20x in FDV from here? Sure, we can. I think that's very possible, man. I really, truly think that is the case for Monad. Now, we're steadily climbing up 26% off the low for Monad, and again, this is very, very awesome to see, right? This is awesome to see, man. So, if you bought around when I first mentioned the project, just getting my thoughts together, been under the weather for the past couple of days, but started to take a look at Monad once again. Obviously, I'm not perfect, didn't call the low at 17 cent, but I did say at 1853, now is a good time to enter, and we've been climbing ever since. And, with this move up of 26%, the ecosystem of Monad started to move up as well. One of the memes I've been covering is Shramp. I talked about it at around 100,000 market cap, and it's already up, it's already up 70%, right? So again, never invest more than you're willing to lose, especially with these memes, especially with these extremely low cap memes, right? Think of them as gambles, right? But what we saw with the wealth effect on Solana, it could potentially, in my opinion, it is happening here with Monad, right? It may not be on the same scale, but it could be very close, right? And being early and exposed to, while everyone else is sidelined, being early and exposed to this new layer 1 ecosystem, just having some type of exposure to the ecosystem could reap massive rewards in the future, right? And obviously, never invest more than you're willing to lose. When I told you guys about Shramp, I just said, even $100 in is a great buy, because guess what? $100 in Shramp would have got you 1 million tokens, right? And now you have $172, right? So you're already up $72 in profit. That's profit. How many people try to, be profitable in crypto and aren't profitable, right? Now I know you might be like, well, only $72 in profit. I mean, like, it's you have to manage your risk, right? And this is way down the risk curve, right? These are Monad memes. These Monad memes that we're checking out are way down the risk curve. So that's why I'm heavily stressing to manage your risk, right? But with that $100, Monad making 20x, 30x in FDV, right? 30x move in FDV, right? Potentially a move to $1, right? From here, potentially a move to $1 from here, which is a 50x move or a 100x move to $2 from here. The ecosystem will continue to, be like basically leveraging Monad without the risk of liquidation, right? So project like Shramp that I've covered in previous videos could potentially get to 10 mil market cap from here, 100 mil market cap from here, if not even a billion, right? In the future, right? It's just you just have to manage your risks, take profits along the way, and just stay in tune with Monad and its ecosystem, because it's doing extremely well, man. A lot of these projects that I've covered are already in profits, right? So a lot, like, for example, manage your risk. So if you want to take initials and just leave in just a few bucks, you could do that, right? That's how you make sure to make sure your risk management is on point, right? So still very early to Monad. It's still very early, like super early. It's still under ICO price, and it's still very early to its ecosystem. So just wanted to update you guys on Shramp. You know, we're already, if you bought in, you're already up in profits, and you know, things are looking bright, man. 2026 is looking bright. Let me get your thoughts down below. Like, subscribe. Remember, none of this is financial advice. Thank y'all for tuning in. Catch you in the